Hi friends, welcome to the Real Education YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to transfer your money from Bank of America to another bank account. So without wasting your most precious time, let's jump to the video. Friends, first of all, go to the Google and search their Bank of America online banking. Now friends, we can see here this is the result from the Google. So tap on online banking, log into user ID and wait for a while. Now enter your user ID and password and tap on the login icon. Now friends, as we can see here is the option of the transfer and delay. So now here is the three options available between my Bank of America accounts to someone's Bank of America account and from others bank account. So we have to select the third option and wait for a while. First of all friends, we need to add a recipient. Set up a new account that you can use to transfer your money from your account to another account. So now friends, they are asking your transfer type. You want to transfer domestic or international? Select as your preference. Question number 2 is what type of this account? My personal account at another bank account, my personal account at another bank only for transfer, and someone else personal account at another bank only for the transfer, and a business account or mine account or someone else account at another bank. So we have to select the fourth option because we want to transfer money from Bank of America to another bank. So now friends, they are asking to select recipient's account type. So I am selecting the checking account. Enter their business name or legal name. So now they are asking for the address. So enter details. So now friends, enter all the details: address, city, state and zip code. Now scroll down, enter the email address, and if you are facing any problem then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. So friends, create any nickname for this account. Notes are for your records only. They are not sent to others bank account. So tap on the add bank account. Friends, after adding your account, come from this section to make a transfer. This is the first section. First of all, they are asking from which account you want to transfer your money. So select your account. So now friends, select your recipient. So I have two accounts, one international and one domestic. So right now I am selecting my domestic bank account. So now friends, select your delivery speed as your preference. So I am selecting 3 business days. Fees may vary. If you want next business day transfer, then you can select it, and if you want same business day transfer, that's completely your preference. I will suggest you to use the 3 business day option. This will be the cheapest option. So now enter your amount. After entering your amount, they will ask to select your frequency. One time, immediately, weekly, every 2 weeks. You can select as preference. So I am selecting one time immediately only. So this is your start date and estimated date. If you want to add any description, this is completely your choice. Now tap on continue friends. As we can see here friends, here is a pop-up of important message. Read all the things and tap on the continue transfer. Now they are asking you again, are you sure you want to transfer your money? Then tap on the make transfer. I am sure. Now friends, let's talk about the international transfer. If for international transfer, you need to select the recipient. So I am selecting the recipient and the transfer will be sent in the euros. And friends, if you want to transfer in dollars, that's completely your preference. Does this payment include VAT, value added tax? Select this option as your conditions. Are you making this payment on behalf of someone else? Select no and tap on the continue icon. So review your all details. I hide my all informations due to privacy issue. So tap on this check. I have read all term and conditions above including exchange rates, fees and taxes. So tap on the make transfer. Your transfer is on the way. Once your transfer is proceed, you will receive an email of confirmation number. Friends, I hope that this video is really helpful for you. If this video is really helpful for you, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Matram.